Well, hello and good morning to you. Hope you're keeping well. Exciting day today. Our results are in from our DNA, ancestry, history, heritage, ancestry, spit in a tube results. They're back in. We haven't looked at them yet. We're excited and we're going to reveal where we're from, who we are, more importantly, what Ron's history and heritage is. It's exciting. I think I'm mostly going to be British. Mostly from Britain, around the Dorset area. Dorset, Cornwall, that area. I made a video previously about where I thought I was from and where Dee thought she was from. So it's interesting to compare that video to where we are actually from. Oh yes. So come on, let's have a look. I'll do mine first. Dee's busy with a baby. And there we have it. Look at that. Wow. I am not overly surprised, to be honest. It's a bit disappointing, really. I was partly hoping that I would find out that I have a lot wider roots and from overseas, over that way a bit. Sort of like European and that edge. And over that edge of the map. Also as well, there's a family rumour that we had some Caribbean genes. And that hasn't been picked up at all. So whether that family story comes from when some of my ancestors went over to form the colonies in the Caribbean, St. Kitts area, and we didn't actually interbreed with the locals. We just bred amongst other Europeans who were also over doing the colonies. That might be it. But interesting. And as it says there, a lot of it is from southern England. Devon, Cornwall, and southeast England. That's where I've traced lots of my family to that area. That's why I thought I'd be in that area. And I'm right. Awesome. It's just confirmation really that I was on the right track with my research, which is fantastic. 3% Swedish as well. Again, I have traced some roots to Sweden, so that's not really a big surprise either for me. I thought they're either Sweden or Norway, Denmark area, but there again, these people might have just been from Swedish stock who moved to Norway. Maybe. I don't know. And it also says I have a lot of third, fourth, fifth, sixth cousins who have also done this DNA test. So it'd be very interesting to try and get in touch with those people and compare family trees and see where we link in together, which communal grandparents we share and great-grandparents and so on, and where we all link in with the family trees. And now, we'll have a look at these results. Oh yes. She thinks she's mostly going to be Lithuanian and Eastern European area, chunk of the map. So, moment of truth. You ready, Dee?
Yes.
Yeah, she's ready. She's watching. She's just with a baby at the moment, so here it goes. Let's press that button.
Oh yes, yes. I'm 84% Baltic states.
Whoa.
Not surprising.
No, because Lithuania is in the Baltic states. So
Lithuania is the Baltic states,
Yeah.
yes. 12% Eastern Europe and Russia. No surprise there. 2% European Jewish and 2% Swedish.
yes, the Jewish is
The
also...
Jewish is a bit... I mean, there's been no talk in my family about being Jewish at all. So
No.
there's probably a forgotten bit of root that we just don't know
Indeed,
about. So.
yes.
But it's very exciting. How cool.
Yeah,
So you're not surprised about what you found?
not at all. It's
Not
just
at
as I thought it would be, really. No surprises.
To be honest, I feel exactly the same. I thought
Yes.
I was going to be Eastern Europe, and that's exactly where I'm from. So the only bit that does surprise me is the 2% Swedish.
Swedish.
But then maybe that is where the surname comes from. Maybe it's not German. Maybe it's Swedish.
Might well be Swedish.
So it is interesting.
It is.
Yes, but no surprises. We are exactly what we thought we would
We
be.
are, indeed.
And little Ronnie now has a bigger picture of what
His roots.
his roots are. Yes,
Absolutely. You do.
So
yeah.
it's been a very interesting thing to do. But then at the same time, when we first found the results, we kind of felt that we didn't get our money's worth.
No.
It wasn't like a big woo. It's just
No
like,
surprises. It was just, yeah, okay. That's what we thought. That's what we are. Yeah,
That's right, yes.
totally awesome.
So it's been good, but
You've been in touch with one of your second cousins who's found you via
fourth
it.
cousin.
There's a fourth cousin.
Something. Someone in
Yes.
America. To be honest, I haven't heard of many of my actual cousins,
No.
so
Well,
it's.
there could be inroads to finding a few more roots of your tree.
Do I really want to though? I mean,
Oh yeah, of course you do.
I'm quite happy just.
Yeah.
But little Ronnie now knows what genetical makeup his cells are made from, so that's interesting.
Oh yes.
And yes, we had a great Christmas. We hope you had a great Christmas too. New Year? Oh my goodness, it's New Year.
Yeah, I know. 2019.
2019.
I feel really old.
Me too.
You don't.
You don't.
If you're thinking of doing this test, go for it. It opens your eyes a bit into your background, your roots, and there might be a few surprises there. We didn't have any.
No.
But you might. Absolutely.
Sure. And did it open your family tree a little bit?
No.
No.
It's exactly as I thought it was. No surprises at all whatsoever. So,
To be honest, you traced your family tree for years and years and
yes,
hundreds of
indeed,
years.
yeah. But it verifies the research I've done.
You
So it's
did.
good in that sense. So, we will see you all soon.
Bye.
And bye-bye.
Bye.
Have fun. Bye-bye.